God.
Conga. I am little G Scissor's brother, and I'm brother of G Sizzle. I'm the dolphin diver.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Fail. Huh?
Conga.
You're gonna do it again?
What? Yeah.
Do it.
Oh yeah.
Hurry up. Come on. What are you doing? Carson, come on. Oh my goodness.
Dun-dun, dun-dun.
You're going too far. That wasn't a dolphin dive. Dolphin dive. Come on, Carson. Dolphin dive. Okay.
Oh,